discovered something. Yes! And I was browsing through my Instagram just last night. Tapos I saw this because I was craving for street food. Tapos I was asking Lids nga to buy me some isaw. Tapos last night, I was browsing through my Instagram. And eto, may nahanap ako. May nakita akong iskrambol. Ito, iskrambol kit na may kasama siyang yung milk, the sauce, yung matamis na sauce. It's a special drizzle sauce. And it includes some marshmallows. At ang pinakatatuwa ako dito sa itong nahanap ko kasi, it's in Instagram, you will find them Avenida.Ph. So, here, ang pinaka-natuwa ako is the fact that when I was opening the paper bag, it's really a Pinoy classic naman talaga, guys. Kasi ako growing up, laging merong nagtitinda ng taho dun sa bahay namin, dun sa labas ng bahay namin every morning. So, I was craving for it. And also, of course, you all know that I am selling fishballs. Nililig ako sa mga street food. Tapos yun nga, I was craving for isaw last night. You have the instruction. Ayan. Yung instruction siya. Every time na bibili kayo, may kasama. Thank you, Avenida. And ang super duper na aliw ako. Kaya I decided to make this vlog. Sobrang quick vlog lang naman about Avenida.Ph. Is the scooper. May scooper yung taho. So, alam mo yung feeling na ikaw yung nagtitinda, yung mga magtataho, sobrang nakakatuwa. They have this. So, I'm gonna make a taho for myself. Later, yung iskrambol, kasi dapat frozen daw to. So, ipapalagay ko muna siya sa freezer before I make my iskrambol, which I will also show you later kung ano yung finished product ko. Kung ano itsura nung scramble ko. At syempre, gagawa tayo ng taho dahil nag-crave tayo dyan. Umorder na kayo sa Avenida.Ph at I'm sure napakasarap nito. Tikman muna natin. Habang ano pa siya, habang malamig siya. Anyway, let's try this. And I'm sure everyone's gonna love it. So ako, natuwa lang talaga ako sa kanila. So I hope that you will support the local products and support the new businesses, the small businesses. Syempre, don't forget to support at Louis Home, and that's at LVI Home, and at LviKitchen.fb. We also sell Bulacan products, Pinoy products. Mostly Bulacan products and other products from the provinces, from other provinces that we are also helping para makabangon ang lahat. Magtutulungan tayo para makabangon tayong lahat throughout this pandemic. So, before that, tayo natin the taho! So guys, ayan, there you go. Ito na siya. This is my taho. Okay. So, while I'm at home, I am enjoying this taho from Avenida.Ph. You will be able to find them on IG. Kain na tayo! Para lang akong naglalaro dito sa bahay. Taho! Ganyan yung peg. Dapat sumisigaw ka ng taho para para may bumili sa'yo. Taho! Ganon kalakas. Tapos yung iskrambol natin later. I will show you. Ito yung mga customer ko. Bibigyan ko na sila ng taho. Akin na yung mga baso nyo kasi maglalagay na ako ng taho para dito sa mga customers ko. And ito na. May bayad to. Ano ba yan ang kalat?
Bibigyan ng taho. Magkano po yan na?
Per shot. 10 pesos per shot. Ayan, nahihiya silang pumunta sa cam. Ayaw nilang makita sila ng mga magtataho sa kanila. Baka daw sabihin lumipat na sila ng ibang nagbebenta, ibang seller. So guys, ito na yung finished product ng aking iskrambol. So ang ginawa ko, yung binigay sa akin na scramble kit, nilagyan ko ng ice, binlender ko. Tapos, pour it here. Transferred here in this glass. And then, I put the powdered milk on top. The marshmallows. And the special sauce. So, eto na siya. Eto na yung finished product ko. Sarap! Para ako nasa grade school ulit. Yung mga tig 1 peso, 2 pesos na scramble sa labas ng school. Sarap ha? Order na! Pero, syempre, don't forget, at LviKitchen, LviKitchen.fb, we have the most special and yummiest, delicious fishballs. So, order na rin kayo doon. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe!